Mamu nyina akwa babio ya se hia na de edi kan meda mo ase papa se ne mu kura me na mo a mo share videos no ene mo a mo ja me comment me ni so ankasa me read mo comment a na me ni age me me mo ba be ye ne eye turkey wings a odi stew ekoyi o nti we de me maji makonya wo ji wakonya ne emfa nhihye so nti de me wa ha say eye turkey wa turkey wings na me kana me butcher no watwitwem ama me so nti wo hwe ha na ohu nsa no esoso ena why de watwitwem ena de me wa ha say half bell pepper green pepper no we a small size red onion ena we say medium size white onion ena we ginger 30 grams so ahu ena de egu he aniseed nkete so ahu na we say clove of garlic ena we nso me rosemary ntade a ye hie ni e de abegu enam isu ni na fe rosemary no obetumi use dry one me dey aye recipe where kamasa into ni fresh one I use dry one so na wo dey egu where you blend them me use hand blender tin we hwe as I said there me nice ma fa 1 cup of water wo honye bebre na wo dey egu o make sure so na fe ma fa me hand blender so ho na wa blend ni na enti me make sure ma blend no one who use hand blender na yet said the wayam no so ho eya ne no so ye kama enti ti said why you wear mo ti no wahwie ni nyina egu so na blend mix no ni hwam nkete ni rosemary ni garlic ni bell pepper no kama enti a try yes and add the salt to taste so ho aka na afi waka ni nyina no tini fensuo bebre nka ho ansa ma seasoning enko hyehyem so ahu ansa na odi nsuo abeka ho anea na kama na mi si ehwa no lenya kwanhya aguro ya se ehwa no enti ana mi na steam kama yo esisu for about 7 minutes enti ma me no nko de wa ha se nse say de me wa ha say rosemary ni bia so wa sani open na we nso your time na chicken ni time o de ana turkey ni time there you can never go wrong today bia wo ye turkey ana chicken na ho no apebi na de awo no kama only fresh one na you should dry one ebeko yie sa nse say de me wa ha say ginger no nso 30 grams wa ususu ena baby agro ebeko ni me red onions are me be 2 small and 1 medium so come and say me meko mienu so ame wa hanie so we scotch bonnet so unti dia wo pe bia no we use but we ni mienu red ni yellow no come na fe ma fa 4 cloves of garlic so unti we de ba be blend e de ahye stew na se unti dia me ye nyina ne se me sisa me herbs no so ani mekono na afi wachutwa wakakadru no kama tinami nsu na yegusu yo eche fine enti so ahun say no seasoning na me digu hu na achi hu fine for about 12 minutes afi na me de lukewarm water akra eguso so to once na taste ni na akohihye mu fine na ayede na de insuo ni hye ne pa na ma flavors ni nyina ayede ko tinu wagya ne bro say de me ani sa me je na me de be hye stew na se no eno na me ba betwitwe so me twitwa de aka ne atua so nti ya na me on sa ya kama so Ti me ba betue na mayi na fe ade achiaso. Nse say baby ayedru no. Enam na makoyi no so ho. Stock ni so si wom de betwe na mde mangwa egu pan ni. No wa dan kama. And you say I make come and I mean watch it come and mean toast I may baby using toast to be out which makes tomato paste a bear come. May you sue cherry tomatoes be a come and see and let over one I mean my baby so on. See you will be no idea. Now what you see a bear come as a boy I the tomato paste in quiet and see a come. No, I will do need to chum sabe am blend dia e be easy am dem pan wa kukuro bia no a flavor ni wo mu anka nze say me blend mix na me be yo me the half cup na aka nsuo no kakra bi ti me blend ni achia so. The same day names na achieve 4 minutes so no amana brown fine. Na fe blend mix na no hwie ni na ebe. Onsanya very watery so so no. E man hwie ni no to the blue. You see, soon a mochi brow yo, so I'll come. Me blending toast, me ask you. And say, Mintos, not my blend away. I wish you for. I want if you with a challenge, you know, I just have good to. Also, we are not top until I don't know how I be, but send a baby. So, mammy, not a human agent to Miss Row, and show you no cockatoo. We should be no one like here come, so I only see more fine. Also, I want to air separate it. Oh, yes, I know. Not good in toast. Nan toast, where she said, you walk out of Ghana. I won't say Ghana and toast, no name with him. Sana wings to tea. Ghana, what try after? After one move. She fresh tomatoes need the so be an hour you soon be a now you so a tin one, so I know so the years. Damn me what and on me so and so I come. And also the taste in a more. Come on. As I say, I fry a much bear 12 minutes, one brow, so on some 1 year bear me. Na fe o stock no na fe sata me na wo ba be hwie gu when your friend impurities no so no hwie ni na gu na fe we yi nam na gu ya na mu di ase de me ko blend ya de abaja ma cameraman na yi bia rio amanfo mu musa cameraman mami hey and na me swati cameraman what's on kaso hey and na me ase bia yiro amanfo na friend no e ko yie tu auntie odo stock na gum nam na fe ube low na mana aeden esi subro na impurities na bemu ankasa yewie yo froye timisira oje wakonwa no a kama Thyme no me pesa me tin more ka kwenti me the dry one no it's way be half a teaspoon aka so okay I almost done say dia me nyana say me o carrot wa ha say onti ai vegetables bi a wo bia no ba carrot no ho odin Timidia no gumo ansa. Ama afa so beye 3 minutes bi na afi me de me green beans ne peppers na be. We are in the south. And they say, maybe I'm medri, me green beans and so on, good. Now, say, red only red only a white only, a bit of crunch, so I'll mimic you and a green pepper crack. Until the open piano, now dear goose. Wow, Nemo, no men, men pang wabby, our for your name, so on to work here. And me no one and no so be green tin sanya wo pa one na misro me ni nkaka so yeah for your pen no dey fa chance bra na minti kakra ma why na fa kwato mo so why a minti kakra ma fe na mi ese cameraman ho pre no pen temu Ejuma no si say the I need dog will be any. So I have sent it for a corner. So we do peppers in the groom, and my name show who fast to keep to every bear 1-2 minutes. We are no watch here. If you say heat in a woman, a baby in a camera. So, yeah, for any area, you. Na, why shall Miss Newham? A ready who are, she said, me who send me fancy wo send me fa TV mo so phone so na wo hwe no say me who baby am different ye fa shia wo ja me comment na me who baby am fancy am mesra wa na me pese bi be shia na de dem bi ja ye tia wa no every best friend you have has also got a best friend so enti no mesra so you worry ni announce so when you worry ni e ma titi it's all the year na chocolate. Wow, no, I will be there. What the answer, if you said, you walk out, children, what's a monk country? Your best friend, and also a best friend. It's your non-big down with us. I mean, all the best.